Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a spa day, and this video was inspired by you because you asked, how do I do a spa day at home on a budget? Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you want to think about if you're going to be doing a spa day at home is the ambiance. If you go into a spa or a salon or nail place, they're really going to try to make the atmosphere super relaxing and calming. Even though you could throw on a face mask while the football game's going and the kids are screaming and the dishwasher is rumbling, that's not very relaxing. So let's think about a couple things you can do to set the mood. The first thing is lighting. So wherever you choose to do it, you want to make sure that you have really nice lighting. Fluorescent lights or something bright, it's not going to be very nice. You can do candles. I have one of these salt lamps that I think give off like a really nice mood light. Second off, smell is really important when you think about a spa. Once again, you can do a candle that will kind of do the mood, the lighting, and the scent. Or if you have a diffuser, you can do some essential oils. Lastly, you want to make sure you are super comfortable. When you go in to get a facial at a professional spa, they're not gonna have you laying on a hard, stiff bed to get a facial like you're going to the gynecologist. Nope, we don't wanna do that. You wanna have something that's super cozy, super comfortable, whether you have like a comfy, cozy robe on, or if you're doing it against the couch, maybe you wanna have some pillows and have some, comfy blankets up there. You can do it on your bed, or if you're having a hideout in your bathroom, just pile up a couple towels or get like a cozy rug in there, even like a pillow to lean up against. Okay, so let's move on to what we're gonna be doing at the spa today. So first off, I thought it would be really fun to start off with a full body scrub. If you've never experienced that at a professional spa, it is amazing. They basically get some sort of scrub, there's a million different kinds, and rub it all over your body to exfoliate you from head to toe. Then normally they have a shower there that you hop in and rinse off, and then afterwards they'll probably lather you up with some lotion or butter. So today we're gonna be starting off this spa experience with a head to toe scrub that you're gonna make with simple ingredients straight from your kitchen that you probably already have. We're gonna start off with coffee. This is gonna be a coffee sugar scrub. This is coffee left over from this morning, so don't worry, you don't have to even waste extra coffee grounds. It has kind of dried, but don't worry if yours are still wet. Second off, we're gonna be using sugar. We're gonna be combining these two. And lastly, you're gonna be using an oil. Coconut oil is the most popular, but I'm actually out. So I'm just gonna be using good old extra virgin olive oil. That will be a little bit more oily, but I have super dry skin, so that'll be fine. Let's go ahead and mix this up. I just grabbed what was left over I think we did a pour over. And then I'm just gonna be going in and getting a couple scoops of sugar, using a regular spoon. I'm gonna do about 3 scoops. You can just eyeball it. I'm mixing those together. It's gonna help energize your body. It's gonna brighten up your skin all over because of the caffeine. So I've got the sugar and the coffee in there, and I'm just gonna go ahead and drizzle some of this extra virgin olive oil on there, or coconut oil if you have that. Giving that a good stir. I'm gonna add a little bit more there. You don't want it to be super runny, but you do want it to have a workable wet consistency. You can see that it is wet, but definitely easy to pick up and kind of glide all over your skin. So this is gonna be your homemade coffee sugar scrub. It's gonna help to exfoliate the dead skin off. It's gonna help to refresh it with that caffeine. The coconut oil or the extra virgin olive oil or whatever oil you decide to use is gonna help to moisturize your skin. So in this scrub, you're gonna get several benefits out of it. What I suggest to do is, first off, we're gonna do this full head to toe. Hop in the shower, rinse off, get your body wet. You're gonna just pick up a small little bit, just set this kind of on the side of the tub, grab it, scoop it, and then we're gonna be rubbing it all over your body. And really make sure to get those areas that are super dry or flaky or really need to be refreshed and brightened. Okay, now we've been out of the shower, we're all glowy. We're gonna move on to a little bit more just relaxing, calming down. I want to go ahead and start getting our face mask ready. I am gonna be doing a mixture of aloe vera and honey. Aloe vera is really good for killing the bacteria and the germs. So is the honey. And aloe vera is really hydrating, but it's also very gentle and very mild. So it's gonna help just really to cleanse your skin and to hydrate it. So I have a tiny little bowl here that I'm going to be mixing it up in. 99% aloe vera. This one I'm pretty sure was very affordable, probably just a couple dollars. So we're just gonna be putting in a little squeeze here, and then also some honey, little squeeze of honey. And then we're just gonna be mixing these up. And it does kind of have like a jelly consistency to it. That is exactly what you're looking for. And let's just go ahead and set that to the side for the moment. Go ahead and have your hair up if you don't already have it up. And next we are going to make an aromatherapy towel to put around our neck. So just grab a basic hand towel here. Use the bathtub or your sink. Just run your towel through that to get it nice and warm. Make sure you squeeze it out. And then go ahead and add a couple drops of an essential oil if you have it. If you don't, just even a nice warm towel will work. I got these from Bed Bath & Beyond. They're fairly cheap as far as essential oils go. And add just a couple drops. Perfect. You are gonna just wrap this around your neck. Yours will be damp and your hair can be up. And then, so you're just gonna have this warm towel around your neck with just that aroma of the lavender or the mint. If you have sore muscles in your shoulder, you can even kind of just rub them back and forth to get yourself a little massage. And you're just gonna allow that to rest. Next, we're gonna go ahead and put on our face mask. I'm not gonna actually do that today, but you can use your fingers, or if you wanted to use a makeup brush that's maybe a little bit older, and just dab that on your face all over. Make sure to bring it down on your neck. So once you've applied your mask, you're gonna do one more thing, because you are gonna just kind of be able to sit back and relax on the couch or wherever you are. We're gonna create just kind of a anti-puff, anti-inflation eye mask using Sleepy Time tea, plain Sleepy Time with just the chamomile tea in it. So just pull out 2 of them, and then you wanna just dunk them in some warm water, give them a good squeeze, and then you're gonna be applying 2 tea bags on your eyes like such, and then you'll be able to relax. And the chamomile is just gonna help to help with any inflammation, which also the aloe vera does help with that. So does the honey, forgot to mention that. So leave that on for 15 minutes. Of course, unless you feel any irritation, then you can take that off earlier. You just take it off with a nice warm washcloth. So after you've done that, we're gonna finish with our last thing, which is gonna be a foot soak. The best part to me about a pedicure is the soaking part, just the nice warm water, just being able to relax. Of course, I love the massage chair, which I'm sure you don't have at home. We're gonna just recreate that relaxing foot soak. You can either do it in your bathtub, or you can get like a big bucket that you can reuse from the dollar store. Go ahead and fill up the water or the bucket with temperature you enjoy. We're gonna be putting in a body wash. So just give it a good couple squeezes. This is just gonna help get a little sudsy, also just help to clean. We're gonna be putting in a couple pumps of lotion. You're also gonna put in either Epsom salt or baking soda into that water. The baking soda is really great if you have hard water, because it's gonna soften the water. And the Epsom salt with the magnesium sulfate is gonna just help, especially with like achy feet. That a swish and a stir. And then just soak your feet for however long feels good to you. It can be 5 to 15 minutes. And then afterwards, take your feet out, give it a nice pat, dry. I like to use I have one of these boards. It's basically just helps with the calluses or any rough spot, and you can just kind of rub it around it. If your feet are not very dry, little thing that you can use that sometimes I use in a pinch is a nail file. It does have kind of those two sides on it, and you can just rub it against any dry areas that you might have. All of these things are super easy, super affordable, super relaxing. Make sure you have that mood lighting, grab some music, make sure you have, you know, like a fancy favorite drink. I've got some chai tea here. You can do some water with lemon or mint. Feel free to get you a fancy cheese platter. You can cut that up yourself, with just cut up some cheese and maybe some grapes on it. And there you go. I hope you enjoy your spa day. Let me know how it turns out, and I will see you later.